In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post messages to Slack with Twilio Studio. This setup is a great way to automatically send important events from Twilio into a Slack channel. So your team can see alerts, SMS replies, or call related activity without constantly checking the Twilio console. Since Twilio Studio doesn't include a built-in Slack action, we'll connect the two tools using a Slack incoming webhook and Twilio Studio's HTTP request widget. To begin, head over to the Slack app management area and create a new app from scratch. You'll give the app a simple name and assign it to the workspace where you want the messages to appear. Once the app is created, look in the left side menu for incoming webhooks and turn that feature on. This enables Slack to accept secure incoming messages from external services like Twilio. Next, scroll down and choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Slack will ask you to select the channel where messages should be posted, pick the correct channel carefully, then approve the request. After that, Slack will generate a webhook URL. This is the destination Twilio will send data to, so keep it available for the next part of the setup. Now switch over to your Twilio console and open the Studio flow you want to use. In the widget library, find the Make HTTP Request widget under the Tools section and drag it onto the canvas. Then connect your trigger event to that widget. For example, you might connect an incoming message trigger or an incoming call event, depending on what type of alert you want to send into Slack. This connection tells Twilio when to fire the request. With the widget in place, click on it to open its settings. Set the method to post because we're sending data to Slack rather than retrieving data. In the request URL field, paste the webhook URL you copied from Slack. Then set the content type to application JSON. This is important because Slack expects the payload in JSON format, and using the correct content type helps ensure the message is accepted properly. After that, scroll down to the request body field. This is where you define the actual message Slack will receive. Paste in a JSON object with a text field that includes your Twilio variables, so the Slack post contains details from the trigger event. In this example, the message includes the sender and the body of the incoming text alert. Make sure the JSON is entered cleanly and that the variable placeholders remain exactly as intended, since Twilio uses those dynamically when the flow runs. Once everything is entered, your Twilio Studio flow is configured to send messages directly into Slack whenever that trigger event occurs.